Let her go cause she a prima donna. Sweating me like she be in a sauna. Tryna bend her down in Tijuana. Stack of money taller than the plaza. Got a lot of drip with no water. I'm on shotgun with no sawed off. She know them problems coming with the Prada. I just download, so I'm up now. Can't afford a drop, so she bust round. Still in school, learning new things now. Need to get a bag for the fam now. We gon' head south, watch some envy. I need me a Bentley, not no 10 speed. Tryna ride my wave with no jet ski. Then you wanna kick it like you messy. Now you got it fucked up and messy. Live it up, still I'm making lemonade like Nestle. You can sneeze, still ain't get no motherfucking blessings. Needy bitch, I don't fuck with anybody begging. You ain't know you dealing with a monster. Let her go cause she a prima donna. Sweating me like she be in a sauna. Tryna bend her down in Tijuana. Stack of money taller than the plaza. Got a lot of drip with no water. I'm on shotgun with no sawed off. She know them problems coming with the Prada. I just download, so I'm up now. Can't afford a drop, so she bust round. Still in school, learning new things now. Need to get a bag for the fam now. Why you think you fam, you ain't met me? All you folk lame, not impressive. You just want a fame and a guala. I can see through that message. Running out of fucking options. Liver full of them toxins. I need you to quit the talking. No off switch, oh yeah. She be from the city, big racks on that bitch. All these fucking lame tryna act on a bitch. Tryna swim in money, doing laps on that bitch. 100 cash on that bitch, still gon' tax all your shit. I ain't know I'm dealing with a monster. I can't fuck with no prima donna. Got me sweating like I'm in a sauna. I don't bend it down in Tijuana. Stack of money taller than the plaza. Got a lot of drip with no water. I'm on shotgun with no sawed off. She know them problems coming with the Prada. I just download, so I'm up now. Can't afford a drop, so she bust round. Still in school, learning new things now. Need to get a bag for the fam now.